Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to generate cinematic, ultra-realistic videos without paying a massive monthly fee for tools like Sora or Runway? Today I am showing you exactly how to generate incredible high-quality AI videos completely for free using Tencent's open source Hunyuan video model. Let's get right into it. So firstly, all you have to do is open your web browser and go to HunyuanVideo.org. You can find the link in the description. Just click that to head straight over. Now this website gives you a free access to their 13 billion parameter AI model without needing a heavy gaming PC to run it. When you land on the site, just hit the try it for free button to open up the main video generation dashboard. Now, let's create your prompt. You can either type out a detailed description of the scene you want, or you can upload a static photo and use their image-to-video feature to bring it to life. Just make sure your text prompts are very descriptive, including details about lighting, camera angles, and character motion to get the best cinematic results. Now, let's render. Tweak your aspect ratio and duration settings. Then hit Generate. The AI processes everything in the cloud, and within a few minutes, your high-definition MP4 is ready to download straight to your computer. As easy as that, and stop paying for expensive video generators. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech guides and AI tools. See you on the next one. Thank you for tuning in.